Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily LeetCode challenge for the day, and this problem is minimum bit flips to convert number. We are given two numbers, okay, so we are given two numbers and those numbers are start and goal, okay. So this is the int start value and this is the goal value, okay. So start and int both are int values and we have to find the minimum bit flips. What do we mean by this minimum bit flip? In the problem statement it is mentioned that what is a minimum bit flip. It is telling that a bit flip of a number x is choosing a bit in the binary representation of x. So here we have to take the start number and the bit flip of the number start is choosing a bit in the binary representation of start and flipping it from either 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So since we are given two integers start and we have to find how many bit flips, what is the minimum number of bit flips that is required from start, to convert start into goal. So at the end, after the bit flips, the start value should be converted to goal. So here the example is given for 10 and 7. So you see here in this the binary representation of 10 is is 1010. So 10 is represented as 1010 and 7 is represented as 011. So if you see here, to get the at the unit position we have to do one bit flip 0 to 1. This at this position bit flip is not required, at this position bit flip is required, and this one which is there in 10, the leftmost one, that needs to be made to 0. So in total there are 3 bit flips that is required, and that is the answer that we have to return. Okay, if you see here the answer is 3. Okay, and this is what we have to return. So basically we have to first find out at which bit positions start and goal differ. So how to find out at which bit positions start and goal differ? We know that there is an XOR operator, and XOR operator is 1 at a bit position where there is only one 1. Okay, in between two given numbers there is only one 1. Okay, so if both are both bits are different, then the corresponding bit position value in that resulting XOR will be 1. So if one is 0 and other is 1, then the corresponding bit will be 1. If the first one is 1 but the second one is 0 at that bit position, then the corresponding bit position in the result also will be 1. But if they are both 0 and both 1, then it will be 0. So this is ideal to capture the bit flips. To capture the bit flips, this is ideal. This XOR operation is ideal. So this diff bits, okay, we are calling this as diff bits and doing a start XOR of goal. Okay, so this will capture the difference of the bits in between start and goal, and whatever is the resulting int will be stored in the diff bits. Now we want to count how many how many ones are there, how many set bits are there in this diff bits. So what we'll do, that will start a while loop, and in this while loop what we'll do, that will say diff bits, okay, and equal to diff bits minus 1. So this is what this is going to do, that it is going to ANDing diff bits with diff bits minus 1 and save that value again back to diff bits. And also we need to initialize one counter, so that how many times this operation is happening, we get a count of that. To do that, what we'll do, that we'll do increment this count and save it here, and then we'll return this count. Okay, and once we do this, this problem is solved. So let's see what is that we get after running this solution. Perfect. So if you have any doubt in this solution, please post it in the comments and I'll happily explain those doubts. With this, I would like to end this video. Thanks a lot. Happy coding. Best wishes.